Welcome back to the DFWplumber.com Dallas-Fort Worth Plumbing Podcast, where we break down practical steps every homeowner should know to prevent damage, protect their home, and avoid high water bills. I'm your host, Andrew, and today we're covering one of the most valuable skills you can learn, how to read your water meter to check for leaks. This is a simple, hands-on episode. After this, you'll be able to walk outside, open your meter box, and know within minutes whether water is leaking somewhere in your home. It's one of the best diagnostic tools you have, and it doesn't require anything more than your eyes and a flashlight. Let's start with the basics. Finding the meter. Most DFW homes have their water meter near the street inside a rectangular ground box. The lid may be concrete, metal, or plastic. Some have a small viewing window, others require lifting the lid. Always use caution and watch for insects. Make sure you're looking at your meter and not a neighbor's. Most homes have their own meter and shutoff valve. Before reading the meter, there's one critical step. Turn off all water inside your home. That means no sinks or showers, no washer or dishwasher, no sprinklers, no ice maker filling, no toilets flushing. You want the entire plumbing system completely still. The quieter your system is, the easier it is to spot leaks. Once everything is off, open the meter box and look at the meter face. Some DFW homes still have mechanical meters with dials, while many newer areas use digital meters. Mechanical meters. Look for the leak detection dial, usually a tiny red triangle, a small spinning star, or a mini circle with a pointer. If anything in your house is using water, even a slow drip, that indicator will move. With every fixture off, watch the indicator for a full minute. If it's still, you're looking good. If it moves at all, water is flowing somewhere. Digital meters. These often have a screen that activates when you shine a light on it. Look for a flow rate, usually shown as GPM or cubic feet. With all water off, the reading should be 0.00. If you see even 0.01 or 0.02, that's a leak. Now let's talk about the types of leaks you can identify. If the indicator spins quickly or the digital meter shows high flow, you may have a running toilet, a fully open faucet, a broken sprinkler head, a major line break. If the indicator moves slowly or shows a tiny flow rate, you may have a dripping faucet, a toilet flapper not sealing, a pinhole line leak, a slab leak under the foundation. One of the most useful things about using your meter is isolating where the leak is coming from. Here's how. 1. Check the meter with all water off. If it moves, you have a leak somewhere. 2. Turn off each toilet supply valve. Toilets are the number one cause of hidden leaks. If the meter stops, you found the problem. 3. Turn off the irrigation system at the sprinkler or backflow shutoff. If the meter stops here, the leak is in the yard. 4. Turn off the water heater's cold inlet valve. If the meter stops, the leak is on the hot water side, often under the slab. 5. Turn off the main valve feeding the home. If the meter still moves with the house isolated, the leak is between the meter and the structure, most likely the main supply line. These simple isolation steps can save you hundreds in diagnostic fees. Why is all this important? A running toilet can waste hundreds of gallons a day. A slab leak can wash out soil under your foundation. A drip under a sink can rot wood. Many homeowners don't know something's wrong until the bill shows up. Checking your meter once a month, even when nothing seems off, is a smart habit. Let's recap. Your water meter is your best leak detector. Turn everything off before checking it. Watch the leak indicator or digital flow reading. Any movement means water is flowing somewhere. Use isolation steps to narrow down the source. A quick monthly check can prevent major plumbing surprises. If you ever need help tracking down a stubborn leak or want a professional inspection, visit dfwplumber.com to connect with trusted local plumbers across the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Thanks for listening to the dfwplumber.com Plumbing Podcast. I'm Andrew, and I'll see you in the next episode.